Hey y'all, so we're gonna jump right in. So as you guys can see, I'm parting a small section on the side of my fro, and we're just gonna set that to the side for later. So my fro was in a twist out, so I'm just gonna spray some water on it to loosen it up, and then I'm just gonna pick it out. Before applying any gel, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Pink Lotion Moisturizer to my hair, you know, just to set a base. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Eco Styler gel. You can use whatever gel you want. And we are going to be doing a side pony. So basically, I'm just going to apply a generous amount of gel all over my head except for the little section that I parted away. And I'm just going to take my brush and brush my hair up and get it smooth and sleek as possible. And I'm going to put the brush down and I'm going to use my hands to gather my hair in a little teeny tiny ponytail, as you guys can see. But y'all see my hair is growing. We almost in a ponytail or whatever y'all gonna see. So yeah, so I'm going to take the black Got To Be Glue gel and I'm going to apply like a quarter size amount. And I'm not going to apply it on my edges, just on, you know, my hair, but not on my edges. And then I'm just going to take 2 little rubber bands and put my hair into a little bitty baby ponytail. Now that my hair is super sleek and slick how I want it, I'm just going to apply my scarves. I'm going to put on 2 because I'm going to be sleeping with my hair like this overnight. And just to ensure that my hair doesn't come undone while I'm sleeping, because that would be a complete disaster. So the ponytail that we're using today is from Sassina Hair. I have worked with them before, so I'll link the video in the description box. So they send you a thank you card with your package, a pair of lashes, a comb, some clips, and also a pamphlet to let you know how to care for your product that they sent you. So the ponytail that I picked out came packaged really nicely. It is the 1B27 two-tone afro curly human hair ponytail. So this is what it looked like straight out of the packaging, and it is a drawstring ponytail. Out of the packaging, it was kind of like on the rougher side. So what I went ahead and did was I washed it, I wet it down, and then I applied some Shimmer Lights purple shampoo because I wanted to tone the blonde. It was a little bit on the yellower side for me, and I wanted it to be a little bit toned down. So I let that shampoo sit on it for like 5 minutes, and then I co-wash it out with some Suave conditioner. And this is what it looked like once I rinse it out. And I'm just applying some leave-in conditioner, just a little bit, not too much. And then I went ahead and applied some Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to do like 2 strand twists, band 2 knots. But once I washed the hair, y'all, the hair got really soft. It is minimal shedding, so I really am impressed with this ponytail. And the purple shampoo took really well to the hair. I didn't have to like use an actual toner. I just used the shampoo. And this is how the hair looked once I was finished. Now it is the next day and my hair is completely dry. If you guys find that your hair is still wet, just go ahead and blow dry it on a cool heat setting. So starting off on that hair that we sectioned off, I'm just going to take some braiding hair and I'm going to split that section into 2. I'm going to take my edge booster, edge control, and I'm going to put that all over the first section. And we're going to be doing the rubber band method for our braids. So I'm just going to slick up my hair with my toothbrush, make it nice and sleek how I want it, and apply my rubber band. And I made sure I dragged the edge control all the way to the tip of my head. So now I'm just going to take my braiding hair. Of course, I'm going to split it into 2, and just like this. And then I'm going to grip my hair and intertwine it with the braiding hair. And then I'm just going to start braiding, and I'm going to do that same step on the other piece of hair that I sectioned off. And make sure when you apply your rubber bands, you don't do them too tight, because obviously you do not want to pull out your hair. And then I'm just going to braid the braid all the way down to the very end. Alright, so once we're done braiding our 2 braids, I'm going to go ahead and take some more of the edge control and put that on my little sideburn. And then I took some more of the braiding hair, but I'm not going to make the braid as big as the other 2. A little bit smaller, because that is going to be attached to a smaller, you know, portion of hair. And then I'm just going to braid it down. You guys will see what we're going to do with the braids and everything in a minute. But I'm going to take some pink oil sheen and spray that all over my hair because gel can make your hair really dull. We're going to take the 2 braids and I'm going to crisscross them one time and then kind of like swoop them around to the side of my head to my little teeny tiny ponytail. And then what I'm going to do is pin it into place. So I'm just using some open bobby pins, excuse me, to pin them into place. Alright, so at the ends of the braids, I just swirled them around and then I took a closed bobby pin and pinned it into place around my little bitty ponytail because now we're going to apply a ponytail. So I'm just unraveling the twist, y'all. The hair is so soft. Oh my gosh, the Eco Stylish gel did amazing with the definition. And here's the ponytail. The construction on the ponytail is bomb. So it has 2 combs at the front of the and at the back. So I'm just applying those. And then I'm going to pull the drawstring, not too tight. And I like that the drawstring is really long. And then I'm just going to, you know, wrap it around. And then I'm going to take some of the hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the base to secure it. And obviously, because I want to cover up the drawstring and things like that. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to take a few bobby pins and pin it into place. But y'all, it's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. But I decided that I wanted to wrap around a little bit more hair. So that's what I'm doing here and pinning it into place. So I added a few more bobby pins just to make sure it's super secure. And then I went ahead and added some hair jewels just to spice up the look. And I flipped out the ponytail as well. I love hair jewels, so I just added a few of those. And I also put some on my little sideburn braid as well. And when I got done with doing that, I cut off the excess hair at the bottom of the braid. And I just put a rubber band at the end of it and covered it up with a jewel. I'm adding some edge control to my edges and just swooping those around. And this is the finished look. It is super cute. I love this style so much. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this style. Oh, I just love it. If you're interested in the ponytail, everything about it will be in the description box below from Sassina Hair. They do offer this ponytail in different colors, so you definitely do not have to get blonde, but I wanted to switch it up. Y'all know how I like to do. So make sure to check the description box, and if you guys do recreate this style, make sure you tag me in your pictures on Instagram. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye!